Have you ever changed something in your .env file? Refresh the page and it's still showing you the old value. Or sometimes it just becomes empty after running config cache. Let's reproduce both situations, understand why they happen, and fix them properly. We will simulate this in a small project called Helpdesk Pro. We have a support controller, we have a route for this, also have resource to display the support email. Imagine your company changed their support email, but you are still showing old value. This is something many developers do, calling env directly in controller. This email is passed to view and here we are displaying it. The value is coming from here .env file. Let's refresh this. So far everything works. It is showing correct email address. Now let's run config case. In production we always case configuration for performance. Now let's refresh the support page again. So it shows empty value. Now it's empty, but why? When config is cached, Laravel stops loading .env at runtime. It expects the configs to be come from the cached config files. So using the env outside of the config files is unreliable. Laravel documentation clearly says use env only inside config files. So let's create one. Let's add a support config file. This is the correct place to use env inside config. Any controller or services should use config. The first part is the config file name and the key inside that is the second part. You can have nested keys too. Now it will take the email from config files. Let's clear the config now. Refresh. It works again. Now let's cache it and change the email. Refresh. It still shows the old email. Now this is the second confusion. We are using config properly, but it's still showing the old value. When we ran a config cache, Laravel compiled all the config values and put it in this file. After that, it will not reread the .env file until we config cache again. Let's do the config cache again. Refresh. Now shows updated email. Now it works because we regenerated the cached configuration. Remember these rules. Never use env directly in the controller or services. Use env only inside config files. Use config everywhere else. If you change .env in production, regenerate config cache. If queue workers are running, restart them. If you are using Horizon, restart that. If this saved you a production headache, subscribe to the Laravel in Real project series. Next episode, we will cover another classic. Why queue workers keep running old code after deployment.